welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Lyft application not working. So there are a couple of common solutions for Lyft app issues. So let's just get straight into the video. The first being connectivity fixes. So try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, as weak connection causes many issues. You can also try to toggle your airplane mode on and off to just give it that quick little refresh. The other thing you want to do is try to force close your application and try to reopen it. If that doesn't work, simply try to restart your phone to fix temporary glitches. And if that also fails, then you want to simply uninstall and reinstall your Lyft application. Finally, also ensure that location services are enabled. In order to go ahead and do so, simply go ahead and open your settings tab, go all the way down to apps, and then look for Lyft. Once you've done that, click on location and then click on always. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next.